Bob Boldt HVAC provides expert AC repair services in Eagan, MN, ensuring your home stays cool and comfortable year-round. Our team of skilled technicians specializes in diagnosing and repairing all types of air conditioning systems, from central AC units to ductless mini splits. Our team is available for emergency AC repairs, ensuring you're never left without cooling during the hot summer months. Call our AC repair team if you have any questions. Are you looking for an AC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Bob Boldt HVAC. Why is my AC unit freezing up? A frozen AC unit can result from restricted airflow, low refrigerant levels, or a malfunctioning blower fan. Our technicians can diagnose the issue and restore proper operation to prevent further damage. When should I consider replacing my AC instead of repairing it? If your AC is over 10 to 15 years old, requires frequent repairs, or has significant efficiency issues, replacing it may be a more cost-effective option. We can provide expert recommendations based on your needs. What is your service area for Eagan, Minnesota? Our AC repair has helped clients in Eagan, Apple Valley, Rosemount, Mendota, Bloomington, Newport, Cottage Grove, Coates, Richfield, Minneapolis, Burnsville, Savage, Woodbury, Sunfish Lake, Maplewood, Edina, Minnesota. Where is your Eagan, Minnesota AC repair office located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road, Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121. Our phone number is 165-130-06145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.